Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to make chicken stick recipe Ramzan and Iftar special. You will need 2 chicken breast pieces. And masala, you will need red chili powder, coriander powder, black pepper, ginger garlic paste, salt and pinch of food color. And every single thing is 1 tablespoon. Add 2 tablespoons of curd or yogurt and mix well. Now marinate for 30 minutes or overnight. Second step, take a pan and add oil. Now these are vegetables, cabbage and 3 different color capsicums. Add in and fry. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of black pepper, black soy sauce and salt to taste. Now mix well. Now I am adding the leftover rice. These are rice from yesterday. Now mix well. And now our fried rice are ready. Let's move to the next step. Now these are wooden skewers soaked in water. Now these are vegetables, those are sliced in big chunks, onions and capsicums. Now back to the chicken that we marinated. Now follow the steps how it is showing. And like that you can make many more. Done. Now take a grilling pan and add butter plus oil. Now add them one by one. Now fry the both sides. Our amazing Ramzan special recipe is done. I hope you liked today's recipe and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.